Hello, in this video I will show you how to approve a sponsor request on Cash App. So, if someone under 18 sends you a sponsor request on Cash App, you must approve it before they can use their account fully. So, first open the Cash App on your phone and log into your account. Make sure this is the account linked to your sponsorship request. Now, you will see a notification saying sponsor request pending or a message in your Cash App inbox. Tap the notification to open the request. If you don't see it, continue to the next step. Simply tap your profile icon in the top right. Now tap family or sponsorship requests. Here you will see any pending request. You will see minus name, age, Cash App username, what features they are requesting access to, and you must read carefully before approving. Now tap approve and Cash App will ask you to confirm with PIN, fingerprint, Face ID. Once confirmed, the sponsorship will be active instantly. Now, after approval, you can control monthly spending limit, ATM access, online payments, Cash App card usage, and you can charge these anytime from your profile. If you don't see the request, you can update Cash App, log out and log back in, ask the miner to resend the request, or check spam or notification permissions. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.